Welcome! Today I'm going to show you easy way how to make cauliflower fried rice. I bought this as a frozen one so you can thaw it out in a microwave as a directed or just leave it out until it gets soft. So let's get cooking. First we're going to need to chop one onion. Two or three garlic. You can use whatever vegetable you have. I'm using red bell pepper, half of them. One small carrot. Also, I'm gonna be using edamame, a little corn, frozen corn. As for the protein, I'm gonna use already cooked shrimp. So the peel, ready to go. For the sauce, all you need is a sweet soy sauce, oyster sauce, and if you have a seasoning bouillon, chicken bouillon or vegetable bouillon, any seasoning, that would be good. Next, put some oil in the wok, olive oil. Once the oil hot a little bit, so and just put the onion in there and garlic. And stir them up until it's fragrant. Once the onion looks soft and you start putting the hard vegetable, stir them up for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, go ahead and put the edamame and the frozen corn and mix it up together. Stir them up until all the vegetable is cooked. After a few minutes, when you see all the vegetable look nice and hot, I'm using the already cooked shrimp, so that's why I'm putting the last after all the vegetables done. So we're just gonna heat it up. We don't want to cook too long. Otherwise the shrimp will get tough. And stir them up like a one or 2 minutes. Let's see. Now we're gonna try to squeeze all this vegetable away to the side, and we're gonna crack the egg. And then we're gonna try to scramble it. Try to scramble the eggs one side of the wok. Now the egg is all scrambled. Mix it together real quick. Let's mix the frozen cauliflower. I usually put 2 bags. Okay, at this point we are going to put sweet soy sauce. Don't put too much, probably 1/4 of the cup, that's enough. And we're going to put the oyster sauce, a little bit, and we're going to add some white pepper, sprinkle it, and then next is the seasoning, the bouillon or any seasoning, cooking seasoning that you have, and let's mix together. I'm gonna turn this candle to the other side so I get more comfortable. Mix it well. Don't forget a little salt to your taste. And pepper. Keep stirring. Once you mix it well, there, I think it's all done, ready to be served. Here you go. This is cauliflower fried rice. Let me give it a taste. Very good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll show you more in the next my video. Thank you very much.